Hi, Nick Dogle, North State Law, back again. We safeguard your professional license over here. So today we're going to talk about the benefit of professional associations, how they benefit licensed practitioners. Every licensed profession within the state of North Carolina is likely to have an association tied with their profession. We'll take lawyers, for example. We have the North Carolina Bar Association. That is a voluntary organization. You do not have to be a member of it if you're an attorney. You do have to be a member of the North Carolina State Bar and whatever judicial district bar you're located in. In the Raleigh area, I believe it's the 10th Judicial District. We're a member of that bar in addition to the North Carolina State Bar. But as far as the Bar Association, that's voluntary. So there's a lot of benefits to these professional associations. So I'm going to talk about that right here. The first one is you get a certain level of camaraderie. You're around a lot of other licensed professionals that are in your profession. You can kind of spitball a couple things here and there. You can collaborate with some people. Networking is another huge positive. Maybe somebody doesn't do exactly what you do in your profession. They do something, let's say you're part of the plumbing and HVAC board, all right, and they have a plumbing and HVAC association. Well, maybe you do all the plumbing installations, and then you go to this association and you meet somebody that does HVAC. You can send referrals back and forth. If you're an attorney, you're likely not to be a general practitioner and only do like one or do a bunch of stuff. You're only going to do like maybe 1, 2, 3 things, okay? So you're going to meet other attorneys that are going to do different things in different areas of law and then become referral sources. So you get that benefit as well. Another huge thing is most licensed professionals are required to do continuing education courses. These associations, will put on these continuing education courses. So you'll get that benefit as well. You'll be able to knock out all continuing education courses by being part of some of these associations. There's likely a fee associated with those courses as well, but being a part of these associations, the fees is usually a little bit less expensive than if you weren't a part of the associations also. And then there's advocacy, and there's different levels of advocacy, and it means a little bit different to some associations than it does to others. And I think in most professional associations, that advocacy looks like this. I'm going to make sure that we get this profession's name out to the general public more, that we're making sure that the general public respects this profession. We want to make sure that the general public understands exactly what we do and how we do it and the importance of this profession. So that's one level of advocacy, and that is important. And then there's another, in my opinion, just as important, advocacy by professional associations. And from what I've seen, I don't think most of them do this. I think it's kind of rare to see a professional association actually advocate for the professionals and try to make sure that there is not too much government overreach and government oversight. And I think that's important because sometimes, professional associations might lose sight of that. And they might say, well, more government oversight and more government overreach is a good thing. Well, that's not necessarily true. And I have noticed that you're starting to see, not many professional associations that take that stance, but you're starting to see a little bit more and more that are starting to broaden their advocacy in that realm also, which, like I said before, I personally feel is pretty important. And we have a checks and balances system, and having somebody overseeing the overseers is never a bad thing. So that's pretty much it for that. I hope everybody's learned a little bit today. If you've got any questions, you can check out our website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. Got a lot of blogs on there. You can also check out our YouTube channel. And if you don't find what you're looking for in either one of those places, give my office a call, 919-521-8810, for a free 15-minute discovery call with a member of my staff. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Bye-bye.